Welcome to the Blake UK YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the PROBNC tool. This is a insertion extraction tool for CCTV BNC plugs, and the notorious problem with CCTV BNC is once it's connected to the DVR, actually getting your fingers into that is pretty much nigh on impossible. So we've come up with this nice little F tool, BNC tool, that makes it really nice and easy to get into these tight corners. Pop your cable onto the BNC plug. BNC plug sits nicely into the head of the tool, and all you're going to do is simply, that is so much easier, and rotate, move it away, and that's the BNC plug. Very easily inserted into a very tight packed BNC cluster. You can do it in exactly the opposite way for removing the BNC. You'd simply put it back on and twist the other way. So it's an absolutely invaluable tool for the CCTV installer.